And you will notice that this block 7 is perched higher. So this is actually level 2, which is probably about the other blocks of level 4. Reason being is because below this block, there's a
Like
kitchen.
a function deck,
Yes.
function room deck.
Allows people to come in to cook.
And
There's
then you
also
have a rock climbing wall over there. So a lot of different activity nodes for families to spend their time together. And you don't have all the facilities, cluttered within one main area. It's all very nicely spread out. So it also allows a bit of privacy here and there as well.
They have a trampoline court, rock climbing wall right underneath. So that's also the very reason why for this particular block number 7, the units actually started off at a much higher level than the rest of the other units in other blocks.
Yes. And if you notice, lining throughout the entire development, there's also this jogging trail, which is also a nice touch.